Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Gap INC, and what you can see here is the long-term chart of it. So first of all, those who know about the Gap, whether in terms of stock or the company, that's fine, because most of the people knows about this because it's a well-known branded company. And if you don't know about it, so here is the basic business description, that it is an American worldwide clothing and accessories. So you have the founders by Donald Fisher and Doris F. Fisher, headquarters in San Francisco, California. So if you heard about Gap jeans and all those jeans clothing, so it is one of those brands which is known and probably cater the premium segment as well. Now if you look at this trend, so first of all you have your data for the chart since 1980. So from the lows of 1980 till the highs of 1999, it has given a price return of 171,100,000%, or 1,71,829% over a period of 19 odd years. And it's been a 19 or 20 years of consolidation, though the consolidation is very big. Okay, first of all, the consolidation is indeed very big. And if the trend or consolidation is very long, what one needs to do is just stay inside the trend. You need not to do don't have to do anything. Okay, see, what you need to do, just stay inside the trend. Okay, and you have your calculated support or resistance. So it's very easy to calculate here uh, about your supports or important support and resistance on both the side. Okay, so here you have. So what you need to do, unless the stock moves above or makes a breakdown below the trend, what you need to do is just stick with the trend. Okay, you have this trend like this. Now looking at the trend, what you have is $17.19 will be your first sort of support. And just remember one thing, that this is a monthly chart, so it will take couple of years for this trend to complete. If it happens the way things are happening in today's stock market, that's a different thing. But simply speaking, it will take decent amount of time. Otherwise it can move 1000% in a day, that's also a possibility. But in both the cases, one should not forget to use their support and resistance level and put their appropriate stop losses and follow a disciplined way. Now with this, you have 7.19 will be your first support. Then you will have your big support at $9.38, because below that the stock may retest its previous or the lowest end of the range, which is $5.36 on the downside. Now on the upside, you have your first target or resistance at $26, and after that you have your next target at $37. Then you have $48, and finally your big target will be $56. Now if you are very bullish, then your bullishness limits to $56 on the upside, because this is the biggest resistance, and in the last 19 years it's not been faced even a single time, and forget about breaking out of that range. So if it hits that level, obviously maybe there can be certain scenarios, but maybe one of them is that it will be the highest end of the range, and it will be probably the final target, and stock will again falls down from that level, or in between 48 to 56. It is better to consider a range which will be in between 48 to 56, which will be the higher or highest end of the range. In case the excluding part which we are not considering right now, that in case if the stock makes a breakout above $56, okay, so in case if the stock just listen to me carefully, that makes a breakout over 56 or $57 and sustain over there, So if the stock makes a breakout and sustain over $57, then it will be a start of a new and a fresh trend, or a big trend, big bull trend. And what one can expect, at least, okay, I'm saying at least, a rise of the previous length of consolidation, which is 491%. Okay, so if the stock sustain above $57, then the next target will be around 340, in between 340 to 350. So this kind of moves may happen because it has been in a consolidation for 19 years. So the first or the final target will be in between 48 and $56. Then we have to wait, because with this long consolidation one should not think above or below any range. Okay, but if it sustain above $57, then these are the targets, or on the lower side, which one should look probably in the months or in the years to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel, and also hit on the all notification bell button to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.